Welcome to Chapter 4. My name is Thomas, and today what I'm going to be talking about is what you can expect from these lecture videos and what you can expect from Chapter 4 in general. Now, Chapter 4, it's a bit of an interesting one. So far, everything up till now has just been review for you, but this is where it starts to change. Okay, maybe up till now you thought, oh, this class isn't as hard as people say it is. It's actually not that bad. It's the same thing as financial. No. It changes here, okay? It's gonna start getting a little bit more difficult. You're gonna start learning a little bit, newer concepts, a bit more complicated concepts, okay? So I just want you to have that mindset going into this chapter. Also, Chapter 4, as you may already know, it covers three things. How to prepare an income statement, how to prepare a statement of retained earnings, and how to prepare a statement of changes in equity. So it covers three different statements. Primarily, it focuses on preparing income statements. So when students see this and hear this, they think, oh, income statements are a joke. I prepared them in financial accounting. They weren't that hard at all. Okay? And, in financial accounting, for the most part, those students are right. They weren't that difficult in that class. You're probably used to preparing income statements that look something like this. Kind of basic. No offense. It's a little bit basic, a little bit short, okay? Nothing wrong with that. But if you compare it to what this course actually gears you up towards, you're not preparing statements that look like that. You're going to be preparing statements that look something like this. Now, this statement is huge. Okay, it is monstrous compared to the other statement. Probably about like 3 times bigger. And just by looking at it, there's probably a bunch of sections and terms that you probably haven't even seen or heard before, right? But that's okay. That's what this course is going to talk about, right? That's what I'm going to be discussing in these lecture videos for Chapter 4. But I just want to let you know before going into the chapter that the income statement can get a lot longer and a lot more complex. But I promise to you, by the end of these videos and by practicing a few problems, preparing this statement isn't going to be that difficult. And then you're probably thinking, Thomas, that's crazy. That statement looks impossible to make. You are crazy for saying that. But I'm not, okay? You watch the videos, you practice the problems. Promise, I'll get you through it, and you'll be able to prepare one of these statements easily, okay? It'll be super easy by the end of this, I promise. But I just want to let you know, to have the mindset in that it might be a bit difficult at first, okay? So for Chapter 4, covers 6 different topics, okay? We're going to have 6 different topics discussed in 6 different lecture videos. First one is just going to be a recap of financial accounting. Just going to go over the income statements that you're used to preparing back in financial accounting. Second video, just going to talk about the various kinds of income statements. Third video is going to discuss discontinued operation, a term that you are probably not familiar with at all, but it's okay because we'll get to that. Fourth video is going to talk about the differences between how public firms prepare income statements to how private firms prepare income statements. Now, what you're going to notice a lot throughout this course is this whole public versus private accounting, the whole IFRS, right, the standards that public firms follow, versus ASPE, the standards that private firms follow. They differ all the time. So throughout this course, you're going to see the differences between how public firms do things and how private firms do things. And it just turns out income statements is one of the things that they prepare a bit differently from each other. So we're going to look at that in video 4. Fifth and sixth video are just going to be statement of retained earnings and statement of changes in equity. So hopefully these videos will help prepare you to master this course, or master this chapter at least, and prepare you for the midterm exam. So let's get into it.